Welcome to my chemistry class. Today we're going to learn the preparation of the baking soda and what is ionic compounds or what is ionic bonds. So myself Monish Gowda BC, studying in 10th standard A section. So come on, let's start the session. What is baking soda? Baking soda, chemically known as sodium bicarbonate, is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. It is a salt composed of sodium cation and a bicarbonate anion. Sodium bicarbonate is a white solid that is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. Preparation of baking soda. When ammonium, carbon dioxide and water is passed to the brine solution, we get NaHCO3 plus NH4Cl, that is baking soda and ammonium chloride. So what is brine solution? Brine solution is solution where the salt is dissolved and electrolyzed. So now let us learn the properties of baking soda. Firstly, it is a white solid crystalline, and secondly, it is soluble in water, and thirdly, it is basic in nature as a strong base in the weak acid act to form our baking soda, that is NaOH and H2CO3. So now let us learn the uses of baking soda. Firstly, baking soda is used to prepare the baking powder which we use in our cooking and kitchen. And secondly, it is used in preparing soda as an extinguisher, which is nowadays not so common. And thirdly, it is also used in antacid, that is tablets, because when someone suffering from acidity in stomach, when eats these tablets, the neutralization reaction will happen and therefore the acidity will be neutralized. So now let us learn the economic uses of baking soda. Baking soda, also known as the sodium bicarbonate, is widely used in baking. This is because it has a leavening property, meaning it causes dough to rise by producing carbon dioxide. And the chemical leavening requires an acidic catalyst in the batter, such as yogurt or buttermilk, on contact with the sodium bicarbonate. This causes the release of carbon dioxide. Now let us learn the ionic bonds formation. So first, let us see what is ionic bonds or compound. Metals have the tendency to lose electron to form cation, and non-metals have a tendency to gain electron and form anion. So when these metal and non-metals react with each other, they form ionic bonds by accepting and donating electrons. So this type of bonds where electrons are donated and accepted are called as ionic bond, and these compounds are called as ionic compounds. How are ionic compounds formed mainly? I will give you an example here. Now let us learn the formation of the sodium chloride. Sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. As we all know, sodium has an electric configuration of 281 while chlorine has an electric configuration 287. So sodium loses one electron to complete its octet configuration, and chlorine gains an electron to complete its octet configuration. So therefore, a bond will be created between these two elements, and there will be the formation of the sodium chloride, that is our NaCl, that is our common salt. So this is how ionic compounds are formed. And last, thanks for watching my video.